This is me, the Tiny Explorer TV.
Today?
Today we're gonna make cinnamon leg and karami leg.
Go.
Let's do it now. Come on. This is Karami. This is our first I build. It's so beautiful. This is how you do it. Here. Next is cinnamon rolls. Now let's go open it. This is cinnamon roll.
Oh!
Oh. This is the box. This is cinnamon rolls. I first build it.
Let's do it more.
Let's do it more.
Okay lang, i-edit na lang na yun. Pakita mo yung papel. This is how you build it. Go.
This is how you build it.
Pakita mo pa ibang mga
And this is from our blocks.
Do you know yung iba't ibang pwede nila pang brick wire? Ayan, to sa
You
pakita.
can
You can choose